wanna get to know you, boy. I wanna get to know ya. I wanna get to know you, boy. I wanna get to know ya. Ooh, but I ain't got time. But I ain't got time. No, I ain't got time.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia. And for those of you guys who've been requesting us to do more affordable units, I got you, okay? Anyways, this unit comes from Amazon Prime. I actually purchased this on Prime Day. It was actually on sale. They had a little coupon, so I did get mine a little cheaper. However, this is still extremely affordable. So all of the information will be down below for you guys. This is their 18-inch 4x4. So as you guys can see, it's 4 inches temple to temple and 4 inches back of lace. Body wave human hair lace front wig from the brand Majority, something like that. I did purchase this with my own money. This is not sponsored, but I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing to get this hair to look fire. Okay, so anyways, I am not going to bleach these knots. I actually have something that you guys need to try, especially for those of you guys who are beginners and you don't want to bleach your knots and do all that extra work. I do have something special for you guys, so stay tuned. But the first thing I did do is co-wash the hair. That is the amount of shedding that I did get, which wasn't much. Now personally, I tweeze all of my wigs. I do feel like they look a lot more natural when you tweeze them. Unfortunately, this unit did say the hairline was plucked, but it didn't look like it when I got it, so I did have to go in and tweeze it. I do understand that is some work that you guys do not care to do. However, do you see how natural it looks when you do it? So I do recommend plucking your hairline. However, you don't have to if you don't choose to. All right, now I'm gonna take my Beyond Straight temporary straightening serum. I do get this from Amazon. This right here is key to get your hair to be nice and straight and have a lot of movement. All right, so I like to use a little bit of that, put it on the wet hair, and then blow dry it. As you guys can see, look how straight and silky and soft it is now. I totally recommend that serum specifically for your wigs, okay? So yeah, so this is how the hair looks after I went ahead and blew the hair out. I didn't flat iron it or anything. I am now going to go ahead and lay the front, but first I do want to kind of tweeze a bit of hair in the parting space. I do think that is key when you are applying the next step on this unit. But firstly, I'm going to take my hot comb and just lay the top down and then use my foaming wrap mousse just to kind of style it. If you like baby hairs, you can apply baby hairs. However, I didn't feel like I wanted this in this particular unit. Later on in the video, I do kind of add a little bit of a swoop, but I don't think it's necessary. But yeah, this is what you need for all of my beginners out there. Definitely get your hands on this. This is the perfect line. Now what this is, it's actually like a grid hider, so it's supposed to hide your grids. However, I find that it also hides the knots as well. So I know Elise did a video before and she said you don't need to bleach your knots, and everyone was like, but you did bleach your knots. So in this video, I chose not to bleach my knots so you guys can see exactly what she was talking about. All right, now of course, if you want your knots to look bleached all over, definitely bleach your knots. However, for those of you guys who just don't know how, or maybe you're afraid to, this is a perfect alternative. What you do, you just place that in some hot water, let it get all milty, and then apply it to the parting space, and look how natural it looks. It's giving me like a fake scalp type look. All right, so you don't have to really do the ball cap method and all of that unless you're a professional. But for my beginners out there, this is idealistically the most natural look you can get without bleaching your knots and doing the ball cap method. Okay, so I personally think that it's worth it. But in this part of the video, I am just going to reapply those body waves. Of course, if this is something you choose not to do, you can skip this part, but I will be back once the hair is nice and curled.
Pretty girl, Abigail, pretty girl, pretty girl. Curly hair, she wavy. Pretty girl, everywhere. I see pretty girls, all across the world. I see pretty girls, everywhere I go. I see pretty girls, all across the world. I see pretty girls.
Okay guys, so the hair is nice and curled. I went ahead and removed those clips, and this is how the hair is looking the very next day. As you guys can see, those curls and everything. But what I'm gonna do now is get this wig on and get that lace cut off.
Pretty girl, look like Martha at work. Pretty girl, look like Deja Stewart. Pretty girl, look like Janelle Williams. Pretty girl, look like Michelle. I see pretty girls, all across the world.
Okay, so for volume, I like to use a wide tooth comb and gently pass through those curls just to kind of break them apart, you know, and give this hair some body and some volume, as you guys can see. Now, I was really debating on keeping it in the center. However, I thought it looked better if I kind of tilted the wig to the side. So I went ahead and turned the wig to the side to give me a nice side part. So you guys can definitely do that if you want to change up your look. I also used my extreme wet line gel and did a little bit of baby hairs like I was saying before. I didn't want much, but I did a little bit of a swoop. And yeah, so now I am just kind of reapplying some curls in the front. Guys, don't buy this curling iron. It sucks, okay? Yeah, but I went ahead and just did that. And here are the angles of the hair. Y'all, this is the softest hair I think I've got from Amazon ever. Like, this hair is so soft. It has so much movement and body. Like, wow, like the density on this one is very natural. However, it looks good and it's so soft and has movement, barely any shedding. I really recommend this hair, guys, especially for those of you guys who don't want a whole lot of lace. You want something very simple. As you guys can see, this is how it is. I love it. All right, but anyways, guys, this is the way it looks. So let me know what you guys think of this unit. Again, this is 18 inches, 4x4, lace front wig, 100% human hair, natural brown, body wave, from Amazon, from the brand Majority or Majority, something like that. I'll link all of the information down below. Let me know what you guys think of this one, and I will definitely catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.